Okay, so what I want to do is I want to draw a vent system for this waste system. And this is my riser going up to the first level, second level, and up to the roof. But the problem is connecting these to this riser. Okay. I think that first, let's see. Let's get this. Let's get a couple of views in. Let's see if I'm okay. I have my vent system on. It looks like. So I'm going to turn off the waste using this filter so that nothing is in the way while I'm working on one system. I usually try to turn off one system or another when I'm working on one system. Okay, so all of this piping, this is the laboratory, and the vent system, this pipe is, the laboratories are setting higher, so I'm going to connect into these systems from below. And first of all, let's get this right. So I want to make sure my properties are right, meaning the pipe type in the system. So this pipe is a vent. Oops, I don't know what happened there. Let's go back. Going to change the vent system. Going to go here and here. So the vent here is 1 1/2. So I'm going to go past just a little bit. Okay. Now this is for the floor drain. Come here and make sure everything is in order on my pipe type in my system. So I'm going to come all the way, and because the floor drain is below my lavatory, so I know I can come here and it's going to connect from the bottom. Okay, so here, let's look at that in this view. So you see what's going on. Let's turn this around, you see. So it connects from the bottom, okay. So let's go back to the first level and continue with what I need to do, because the vent from a water closet is usually like 2 inches. So I need to make a reducer at this pipe location. So I'm going to change this 1 1/2 vent to a 2 inch, just here. Go here, and I'm going to go past. And because let's see, that's not right. So you always have to check. I'm going to erase that. And because the water closet is lower, I know it's going to connect from below. I think that connection is my vent pipe. So we go vent pipe, and it's not cold water. So I'm going to change it to vent. So it should be okay. So we're going to continue and connect this 2 inch into, let's do this, view, tile, okay. So we are here. So all this system. So the same thing is going to happen. I'm going to go on the other side to connect my vent system. Okay, so I'll do the same. Always check your piping and come here. I'm going to go over, and again I'll go past, just a little bit past. So connect again, making sure that everything is the same. So I'll go here and connect from below again. Okay, so you can see what's going on in the 3D view. So we go here again. I'm going to put a reducer on here so it goes from or an increaser in this case, going from 1 1/2 to a 2-inch. And go past the water closet, okay. And same thing for my water closet, like I did on the left side. Just continue, same, and we can connect from the bottom here. So now we need to connect these two, and from there we are going to connect into this riser. Now, how do we do that? That riser is this riser in plan view. So what I need to do now is make sure that these two pipes are in line with each other. Okay. So I'm gonna make an extreme. Let's go extreme first. So make this out just a little bit and then align it. Okay, to make sure that I'm aligning right. So let's go in and go to modify, align. I'm gonna align this pipe with this pipe. And from here, I know I can drag this pipe onto this pipe, okay? So the connection is made. So now all I need to do is figure out how to make the connection to this riser. So let's do create similar. I'm going to create similar, but I need to align it with this pipe. So I can see that there's your construction line, or my construction line here. So I know that it's aligned here. Okay. But if you look at the elevation, now this pipe is in the wall, so you can't see it. And this pipe is in the ceiling space. But this pipe is almost 3 feet above the floor in that room. So what I need to do is change the elevation above the ceiling, so it's going to be 11 feet in the ceiling space. So almost finished. So I'm going to come here, and it's going to go down and connect into this pipe. So I'll draw this pipe, and we can go here and connect down. And once we're in this area, this is the area that we're in the ceiling space. And from here, we can just make a connection with a fillet. And we can go fillet, and everything looks good. So that system looks like it's okay. Let's turn on. This is really not necessary to see all of this, but what you want to do is make sure that you make the connections, okay? Because it's not real world. It's close to it, but it's a system of vent piping that makes all the connections, and what goes on in the wall, the contractor can take care of that, okay? So I just wanted to point out some of the things, how you can create a vent system with certain elevations of these plumbing fixtures in the wall space, okay? All right, guys. So I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.